as a counselor. Check for the medicine that is not physician sample. Of course, there has to be policies whether it is spoiled or not. Check and double check if you are in abbreviations you are not sure. For the person in Delhi who said, "Sir, 3 number के बाद तो पहचान में नहीं आता है." We cannot understand what handwriting is it. So, my dear friend, don't dispense. Wait, let the patient wait for 5 more minutes. Let the doctor be called. If you don't find the doctor, you have made an effort. You will be clear to your conscience that I tried making an effort and that has taken care of. Communicate to the patient in the correct way to take the medicines. And this will only come through training. You can also implement a food drug interaction chart. The hospitals which are already NABH accredited, they have to have a food drug interaction chart. You must implement a food drug interaction chart, though this is many a times people will say this is nurse's responsibility. I think it is very important that the pharmacist is also aware of the common food drug interaction. When you are handling illiterate patients, please use symbols because it can help in compliance. But let me tell you, don't use your inherent symbols which he will not understand later on. So explain to the patient properly. If you are using stickers, then it is better that you properly write the stickers. Drug administration, proper details have to be written on the stickers. As I was very happy to notice that cut strips, you are writing the full name also. Very good strategy where you are writing the drug name, because many a times the drug name cannot be read. When you are making the proper bill, it should include, I am sure it is there in the HMIS, so it has become very, very easy now. You must write the name of the doctor, patient name, because this is very, very important in case of medico-legal cases. Tomorrow, if your patient commits suicide, so you must know which is the doctor, and it has to be actually correlated. Otherwise, the police can come to your door just for enquiry purpose. Proceed for billing after you have received a nod from the client. Please don't disturb your friends, your people who are working in the pharmacy. It could be discussed after the dispensing has taken place, after the bill has taken place. Person preparing the bill, according to me, should be the senior most person in the pharmacy. The person, because the final check takes place at that level. So the person preparing the bill should be the senior most person in the pharmacy. Repeat orally the labeled instruction in layman terms. And finally, I think your important role comes in emphasizing on compliance. Dawai lijiye. It is you, let me tell you, more than the doctors, who will be able to ensure compliance in the patient. And your role also evolves to note the adverse drug reaction, because if you look look at the model worldwide, the pharmacovigilance model in US, UK, Australia, Thailand. If you look at these countries, the pharmacists are recording what is the problem of the patient. Many a times the doctor might not get that patient. खाया था, सिर चकरा रहा था, दवाई बंद कर दिया. Patient is telling you that I don't want to take, but I don't want to go again to the doctor because the doctor will charge me $500 more. So it is you who has to play an important role, and of course refer cases accordingly, provide warnings and caution. Special precaution, as I mentioned, should be taken for children, elderly, illiterates, and medicines that are bulk loose should be properly packed. So to end, ladies and gentlemen, my presentation, I would say that we must remember that there are no safe drugs in this universe. There are only safe physicians, safe nurses, and safe pharmacists, which is you. So play a safe role, increase your role in the hospital, increase your role in the healthcare system, in healthcare scenario which is prevailing, and contribute to patient safety by improving medication safety in the hospital. Thank you.